Hello everyone, good day and welcome to this particular training. This training is an airdrop training, so I'll be showing you guys talking more about this airdrop. Now, if this is your first time coming across this airdrop, uh, you are in the right place. So I'll be explaining to you guys about LayerEdge Airdrop. Alright, so please pardon the noise from my background. I'm currently in a noisy area, so I believe the noise could, in a way, affect the quality of the audio. So please forgive me if there is a lot of noise or chipping from my background. All right. So this is layer edge airdrop. All right. So this airdrop is kind of giving me the vibe of Hyperliquid, but I believe this airdrop is in the area of either the thing, but I haven't really taken much time to research about this airdrop. So I just got a hint of it and I decided to jump into it as fast as possible. You know, in this airdrop farming era, the faster you jump into a project, the better. All right. I'm even coming into this project a little bit late. So, what is layer edge airdrop? So, for me, I see it as a dipping airdrop where you get to run a light node. All right. You get to run a light node which uh, you need your laptop or your computer to be connected online and possibly up and running, all right, for it to farm the layer edge node point. All right, so you can see these are the points that my light node has already earned today. Now, I've been mining this for the past couple of hours, not up to 3 hours, and it have already generated over 1,000 points. All right, so I assume that if I can run this for 24 hours, it should mine close to 24,000 points. Now, I believe also that these points will be converted to their native token on uh, when their TGA is live. All right, so it's time for you to jump into this and start farming. So, how do you start farming this? All right, I'm going to be dropping the link that you can use to farm. Now, this airdrop is invite only. All right, so you need an invite code for you to start mining and farming this airdrop. So all you got to do is head over to dashboard.layeredge.io, and once you get there, you can go ahead and connect your MetaMask. You only need to connect your MetaMask. Now, one good thing about this airdrop is that you can also farm it on your phone using your Kiwi browser or your Missy browser. So any of the browser that can install um, Chrome extensions, all right, you can use it to farm this airdrop. Now you earn more based on how active you are, and this resets, all right, your farming is going to end every 24 hours. You can check it out here. So you can see it says that every log back in every 24 hours to keep running your light node. So if at the end of 24 hours you don't log back in, your node will stop running. Not that you are going to lose your point, but the node will stop running. So you need to come back in here and manually click on start node for it to start mining again. Now at the top right hand side here, all right, at the top right hand side here, you can see that in here, all right, there is a daily streak. There's a daily streak that you can make use of. All right, there's a daily streak that you can make use of here. So there's a daily streak you can make use of here. So this daily streak, it's going to give you about, I think, uh, it gives you around, okay, 500 points every 7 days. So I've just claimed today streak. So tomorrow I'm going to come over here and I'm going to claim the streak for tomorrow. And once I get to 7 days streak, all right, I'm going to end at 500 points. It may not be much considering how much you are going to be earning running this node per hour. Now, I have not also tested if this node can be run using VPS. All right. For those of you that are thinking if you can run it using VPS, I can't guarantee that it's going to work, and I can't tell you that it's not going to work. I personally have not tried it, and I may try it or may not try running with VPS. All right, so that is on that one. So you need now, if you come to the right hand side, there is tags, there is proof, all right, and there are other activities you are going to do. But for now, the ones that are going to be available to you, all right, is just for you to start mining using the light mode, which you come back here every 24 hours to do. Very easy and very simple to do. But I just want to show you guys some of the issues you're going to run into while trying to access this, because I also ran into such issues, and that issue is this. All right, so this is my other account, and you can see that when I try logging in, all right, if I try loading here, it keep telling me that verifying my browser failed. All right, so it doesn't verify this browser, so it won't load here, and I don't know why. So this is an issue I discovered, so I'm making it known to you guys. In case if you run into the same issue, what you need to do is possibly create another account uh, on your browser. All right, because I'm not going to say that this issue is specific to a browser, because I'm using is not verifying on this particular account, which is also on Google Chrome, but it is verifying on this account, which is also on Google Chrome. So I'm not going to say that okay, this problem is Chrome specific, no, or browser specific, no. All right, I also tried it on my what's it called, my Brave browser, and it works. So it's possibly something is interfering with it on my other Chrome account. So you can easily create another Chrome account and see if the problem is going to be resolved, so that you can register and start farming this airdrop. Already, if you go to the leaderboard, you can see there's so many people already farming this airdrop. All right, so let me see if I can find the leaderboard. I think I found it somewhere under the referral. I can see now it's showing me that it's verifying my what's it called, my browser again. All right, so if you look down here, you can see there are other. Let me start with here. Okay, so currently I'm on the starter uh, tier. All right, so they have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiers. All right, so I'm on the starter tier, and the starter tier will give me 1x multiplier. So it multiplies my point farming by 1x. So after this, once I hit 1,500 farmed points, I will go to the second tier. All right, and the second tier is going to give me a multiplier of 1.2x, and I believe that it's going to keep increasing as the number of points I have farmed increases, and the multiplier will equally increase. Okay, so that is just that. And if you scroll down, you're going to see, if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of people that have referred people here. You can see this one is the number one with over 7 million. So you can also refer your friends, all right, to do this airdrop, and you are going to get 500 point by each friend you refer. Remember, I told you that this airdrop requires invite code for you to join. All right, so without invite code, you cannot do this airdrop. So, guys, go ahead and jump right into it, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. All right, so you can see mine is also, I'm almost hitting the second tier. All right, so I wish you guys all the best of luck. If you have any question, you can drop the question on my comment section. I'm also going to be dropping my invite code so that you can quickly and easily use it. All right, I wish you guys all the best of luck, and I will be sharing more tutorials on more airdrops that I believe are worth doing. And because there is a shift in the narrative of airdrop farming, I need to say this, okay? There is a shift in the narrative of airdrop farming. So, quite a couple of time ago, couple of months now, the Telegram airdrop farming has been the go place or the main deal. Everybody is just eager and looking for the next airdrop on the Telegram platform. Unfortunately, it has become too oversaturated with so many disappointments and people losing money and their precious time. So there is a shift. Now, what I'm going to be showing us on this platform are going to be retroactive uh, airdrops that testnet airdrop, all right, airdrops that require you to maybe possibly deposit a little small amount of money for you to farm. Those airdrops are the airdrops that will pay you the most, all right. And in terms of Telegram airdrop, I'm still farming some Telegram airdrop. Namely, I'm farming hot protocol airdrop. I'm a huge fan of hot protocol and I believe in what they are doing. And I think if you are still sleeping on hot, go and start farming hot right now because I believe I will be making a separate video on hot and why I believe that hot is going to surprise a lot of people. All right. So I'm going to be creating more airdrop videos for the community. And if you enjoy this video, please consider to give me a follow, and comment on the comment section, like the video, and equally share it with your friends. And God bless you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for all you guys do, and that is a great motivation for me to go out, find these airdrops, and equally share it with you guys. Now, please note this: I have not yet verified if we can farm this using VPS. All right, you can try it out, and if it works for you, you can drop it on the comment section. Equally, I have not tried multiple farming using multiple accounts. So I'm not going to say, okay, you can farm with multiple accounts. I can only recommend based on what I have tried. So this is my first trial on this platform. And I'm also going to look for other means to see if I can position myself more on this. So from information I got is that these tax sections and the proof section is going to open up to you as you ascend in hierarchy in terms of the amount of points you have mined. So possibly by the time you get to 50,000 points mined, the tax session could be open to you. So this is the information I got, but I have not yet verified it because, of course, I have not yet hit any of those milestones. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. Do this and tell me if it works for you. For now, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.